Hey guys, welcome back. As you saw in the preview, today I'm going to show you how to achieve 4K quality on mobile without After Effects or Topaz. First, open the Effico app and add your video. Now click on Adjust, go to Sharpen and copy these settings. Do the same with structure and tweak the values according to your clip. Now you can clearly see the before and after difference. Once you're done, save the video. Now open the VMake app, click on Enhance and add the same video. Let the process finish. And now look at the difference. The video is already much clearer and cleaner. Save this enhanced video. Now, before making the quality even more crisp, let me quickly solve one major problem editors face. When you're working with long videos, finding the exact moment or scene can take hours. Scrubbing timelines again and again is painful. And this is where smart editors save time. The fastest way to find your exact clip using AI is Way in Video. Go to your browser and search for Way in Video. Now click on Find Moments, then click on Upload and upload your scene packs. And it's not just for scene packs, it works for any long form content. You can also paste a link here, but I personally prefer uploading. Now here's the best part. Way in Videos. AI will automatically analyze the full video for you. Once it's done, just search anything you want. For example, I'm searching a character name. Wait a few seconds. Way in Video finds every single moment that character appears in the video. Now, just click the moment you want, adjust the timing if needed, and export the clip in the highest quality possible. And it's not only for finding moments. You can also reframe and generate AI animated captions. Plus, one more super useful feature, auto reframe. Just click auto reframe, upload your footage, choose your ratio like 9:16, 1:1 or 16:9 and enable auto reframe. It will automatically keep your subject perfectly in frame without losing quality. So what normally takes hours now takes minutes. Way in Video is perfect for scene packs, edits, shorts and reels. And the best part, new users get 200 free credits to try it out and your exported clips are 100% watermark free. So if you want to save time and edit faster, check Way in Video using the link in the description. Now, let's get back to our main topic. Open Capcut and add the video you enhanced in VMake. Go to Adjust and follow my settings or tweak them based on your clip. Now go to Filters, add a 4K filter and lower the intensity. Add another glow filter and adjust it slightly. Now go to Effects, add dedicated rays and follow my settings. Now, go to Effects again and add Glow 2. Adjust the values like me, you'll instantly see how much the quality improves. Now click on Export and follow my settings. I'm choosing 1080p 60 fps bitrate around 42. Click Export and you're done. Here's the final output. So yeah, that's it for today's video. And don't forget to check out Wayne video from the link in the description. As always, keep editing, keep improving. Bye.